Let's compare 3 different options for analog film photography. So this is the Instax Mini 70. It's a really great little Instax Fujifilm camera. It uses the Instax Mini format, which is like a credit card size instant film. You load up some of the film, take your picture, traditional camera, analog exposure, and it's going to print out and then develop in about 3 to 5 minutes. So super cool. If you want to go bigger though, go with the Instax Wide 300. This is about double the size of print. It's still the Fujifilm Instax instant film, but it's about double the size. The wide format is almost a 4:6 size print. Otherwise, very similar controls between the Mini 70 and the Wide 300. They're just also physically, this is a bigger camera because it's printing on that larger format of film. Now, another one to consider, though, is the Kodak Daylight Disposable. So this is a 35mm traditional disposable camera. You take your exposures. It's a one-time use. It's not instant, though. You do have to send it into a darkroom to have the photos developed. Other than that, though, it's super tiny. It's easy to fit into a pocket. Certainly a lot smaller than that Wide 300. I mean, look at these two side by side. Overall, all 3 are really great options for your analog film journey.